choosing between buying TurboTax on a CD or using it online. It's about control versus convenience. Let's compare. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. TurboTax Online is all about accessibility. You can work from any device, your data is backed up automatically, and updates are instant. You pay when you file and can upgrade easily. The CD download version is software you install on one computer. You pay up front. Some prefer it for the sense of control over the data file and the ability to work offline without a subscription. My crucial pro tip: think about data portability. With the CD version, your tax data file lives on your computer. You can copy it, back it up, and carry it forward year to year yourself. With the online version, you rely on Intuit to maintain access to your prior returns. Choose based on which model you trust. Your workflow and comfort level should guide your choice. Which camp are you in? Team Online or Team CD? Download. Debate is welcome in the comments. For clear comparisons, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.